Understanding base and exponent in mathematics. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our channel. Today, we're going to explore a fascinating topic in mathematics, base and exponent. These are fundamental terms in math, and understanding them can really help you in various areas of mathematics. So, let's dive in and demystify these concepts together. In mathematics, the term base refers to the number that is being multiplied. Imagine you have a number, say 2, and you're multiplying it by itself. In this scenario, 2 is the base. It's the starting point of our operation. The base can be any number: positive, negative, a fraction, or even a decimal. It's the foundation upon which exponents act. Now, let's talk about the exponent. An exponent is a small number written slightly above and to the right of the base. It tells you how many times the base is multiplied by itself. For example, in 2 to the power of 3, 3 is the exponent. It indicates that 2 is multiplied by itself 2 more times, 2 times 2 times 2. Exponents are also known as powers or indices. When we combine a base with an exponent, we get what's called an exponential expression. This expression represents repeated multiplication. For example, 3 to the power of 4, read as 3 to the 4th power, or 3 raised to the power of 4, means 3 times 3 times 3 times 3. The base here is 3, and the exponent is 4. Understanding this concept is crucial in various areas of mathematics, including algebra and calculus. Why is this important? Exponential expressions are not just theoretical. They have real-world applications. They are used in calculating interest in finance, in understanding population growth in biology, and even in computer science for data storage and processing. Knowing how to work with bases and exponents can help you understand and solve real-life problems. And there you have it. We hope this video has helped clarify the concepts of base and exponent in mathematics. Remember, the base is what you start with, and the exponent tells you how many times to multiply it by itself. Understanding these concepts can open up a world of possibilities in mathematics and beyond. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more educational content.